So to recognize, you can go to tools, you can do instant recognition, or you can do more formal recognition via nominations. Let's start with the simple one first, instant recognition. You can give recognition by choosing the person who you'd like to recognize. So you fill in the first 4 letters of the person you're looking for and the name would come up. If they're registered on the platform, you can choose the date and you can then say what this recognition is for. And I would like to share this information. I literally go add, and what happens then, immediately the person who I recognize gets a notification bell, they get an email, and also it appears on their own portfolio of rewards and recognition. We also have more formal recognition via nominations. A nomination is the next level of recognition. It is something that should stand the test of voting by others that do not necessarily have the full context of the recognition event. So in this case, I'm going to give this to someone else. I'm going to give this to Lani, and I'm going to give the details. So you say what it is, what they did, you say how the business has then benefited. You can also choose a file and add some evidence. But keep in mind that all of this will be subject to voting by a group that you select on a periodic basis. So the substance of nominations are more substantive than a instant recognition, and the reason for that is that it should stand the test of a voting from people that do not necessarily have all the various and relevant context. So now you can go back to the home screen and you can then see we have a combination of the instant recognition as well as the formal recognition via nominations. And then there's also a voting tool that allows users to vote once the nominations have completed a cycle. Typically that voting cycle would be once a month, and it's a very powerful mechanism to keep that momentum of positive energy in the business by having a combination of both instant and formal recognition.